Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing your PC and launching the Update tool. First, free disk space if you need it and plug into power. Performance operations require stability. Once done, connect via Ethernet or stable Wi-Fi to avoid interruptions. Next, press Start, open Settings, and go to Update and Security, then Windows Update. You're now at the control screen, where you can check for updates and queue installations. Don't click Restart until you review available updates. You'll now fetch and manage the actual files. Click Check for updates. Windows will detect and begin downloading required packages, showing progress. While it downloads, select View optional updates if you need specific drivers or feature updates. Choose only what you trust. If installations need a reboot, schedule restart or set active hours so you don't lose work. Once downloads finish, Windows will prepare installations and may run multiple reboots. Stay patient because this is normal. Finish by installing and allowing the PC to restart as prompted. That completes most updates. After boot, verify success in Update and Security. View update history to confirm no errors. If an update stalls, run the Windows Update troubleshooter, clear the software distribution cache, and retry. Those steps often fix corrupted downloads. If the system becomes unstable, make sure to uninstall the last update or use System Restore to revert. This preserves your data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.